Is learning OpenGL or DirectX faster for 2D games in C++? When venturing into 2D game development using C++, a common question arises: should you choose OpenGL or DirectX as your graphics API? This decision can influence not just the ease of your learning curve but also your efficiency in creating and deploying your game. Let's delve into key aspects that distinguish these two options. Language and platform compatibility. One of the foremost considerations in choosing between OpenGL and DirectX is compatibility. OpenGL is a cross-platform API, meaning it can be used across different operating systems like Windows, Linux, and macOS. This flexibility makes it an attractive choice if you're aiming for a wider reach with your game. In contrast, DirectX is primarily tailored for Windows platforms and Xbox consoles. If your target audience is mainly Windows users, DirectX might provide more optimizations native to the platform, thus enhancing performance. Learning curve and community support. In terms of ease of learning, OpenGL is often noted for its consistency in function naming conventions and conceptual simplicity when starting. It's accompanied by extensive documentation and a large community that can be useful for troubleshooting and learning. DirectX, on the other hand, offers a more complex and detailed development environment which may require a steeper learning curve. This complexity, however, comes with the trade-off of potentially greater control and functionality over graphical features compared to OpenGL. Performance metrics. If your end goal is to create a game with peak performance in rendering 2D graphics, DirectX might hold a slight edge in some scenarios, especially on Windows platforms due to its deep integration with Windows APIs. Conversely, OpenGL provides a versatile pipeline that, when optimized correctly, can deliver comparable performance across various platforms. Development tools and resources. When it comes to development tools, both OpenGL and DirectX have robust support. The choice may ultimately depend on your familiarity and comfort with tools such as Visual Studio for DirectX or IDEs like Eclipse or CLion for OpenGL. Making the right choice. In essence, the decision between OpenGL and DirectX for 2D game development in C++ hinges on your target platform, performance needs, and personal comfort with each API's learning resources and community support. While OpenGL offers cross-platform flexibility, DirectX provides integration advantages for Windows-centric applications. Both APIs have their distinct advantages, so investing time in understanding these facets in relation to your project goals will ensure you make the right choice tailored to your development needs.